3 feet from the camera, I talk in a nice, natural, low voice. 3 feet from the camera, I talk in a medium voice. 3 feet from the camera, and I talk in a nice, natural vlogger's voice. There is no way to get into the camera to find out if we're stereo, front speakers, wind noise, when we're default without the Pro set. The Pro is set, wind noise reduction, stereo. It is raining out. Maybe you heard the rain hitting the tops of the garages. And we're talking a nice natural voice. So this way you can hear the bird chirping. It stopped. And this is my last test in a nice low voice with front only, like I said, 3+ feet away from the camera. Crow, bird, you're not going to hear the crow, car passing by. And talking in a nice loud voice in this environment so you get to hear everything. This is my sound check, and let me tell you, this is not the greatest camera in the world because I want to control the audio without going into Pro, and I want to set it up the way I want to and not have to adjust anything else in the camera. Hope this video was helpful to you. The Logitech wireless mic will pick up background noise just as easy as the internals of the camera. Talking in a nice loud voice before I was talking in a medium voice. This way I have a low voice. Omnidirectional disabled, wind noise disabled, stereo disabled, mono disabled of the internal, but you are on stereo when you hook up wireless mic. The test is over.